guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been importing quite a lot of Aerox stuff, if you know, and today we have something new. So if you just look behind me over there, you can see two seats and we are going to install them. Basically the stock seat of the Aerox is pretty good, but what happens is people tend to slip off this surface. So just a minute, yeah. So what people are doing is getting their seats made up by local vendors and all that, and instead of doing that and ruining your original seat, you can just go in for either of these two seats. So I'll be just fixing them on the bike, and it's a quick install, not a big deal, and I'll be letting you know how good and how comfortable these are. So let us come first to the basic racing seat. This is the Sacron racing seat. So again, here if you see, there is a slight elevation which prevents you from slipping down. It's a very slim seat, but it's got very good padding. The padding is much better compared to the stock, and it's what they say, it's firm. Unlike you shouldn't have a soft padding on a seat, because that will have contours, and then when you have a soft padding on your seat, even this is very stiff. The reason being, if you have a soft padding on the seat, what happens is that this will shrink according to the shape of your backside, and it will cause wrinkles. This will get wrinkled up, and if this thing gets wrinkled up on a long ride, you will have pain. So that is why most seats are stiff. This here is a beautiful fake or faux Alcantara leather kind of a treatment with again fake carbon fiber kind of a rexine material. This is again hard, I don't know if it is real or fake carbon fiber, and there is a nice piece here. It's completely ready made and imported, and you don't have to spend on modifying your seat. And in fact, it costs similar to how much you will spend on modifying a seat. So let me just quickly install this one first and then this one, and let me give you a quick review about it. So basically, to remove your seat, all you need to do is remove these two bolts and your seat is off. So this basically is the slim racing seat, and as you can see, it's pretty neat. Like the stitching and all, the finishing is pretty good. So, and it sits on its stock place. Just a minute. So yeah, that's how it fits. The full seat, pretty neat. These are just the padding and the material that they use. They just tag it along. They just tag this along with the seat. That can be removed easily. So this is how the seat sits, and it's very neat, like slim, comfortable. Let me just have a go on top of it. Oh wow. So if you can see, the seat is actually made the bike a bit lower. So if you're a short guy and you find the Aerox tall, you can go for this seat, and the seat height will be reduced. You can see I'm flat footing it right now, and it is pretty firm. It's really nice and firm. So this is a beautiful touring seat that comes for the Aerox, and you can see the whole bike looks a whole lot better right now. Just the seat alone makes such a big difference, and the material is beautiful. Everything's plug and play. You just need to push in the rubber grommets of the older seat onto this, and you're done. So nothing else is required for it. Let me just hop on and check how it feels. So I'm sitting on the bike, and as you can see, this backrest is like neatly giving me support, and I'm 5'11", and you can see my foot are still not touching. I mean, there's not much I can do about it, but then yeah, it's pretty comfortable. The seat is very nice and firm, and the pillion seat also is pretty big. As you can see, this is a beautiful piece of equipment.